case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States heard the case International Navigation Company v. Farr and Bailey Manufacturing Company in 1901, focusing on the idea that ship owners must ensure the vessel's safety before sailing. The case involved the ship Indiana, which sailed from Liverpool to Philadelphia, and questioned whether its unsecured port covers made it unseaworthy. The lower courts ruled the ship as unseaworthy due to the condition of the porthole. But the district judge was unsure if he should follow a precedent set by the Sylvia case. Ultimately, the unsecured port covers rendered the Indiana unfit to carry its cargo. The Supreme Court held that the vessel owner had to exercise due diligence to ensure seaworthiness, including proper equipment, manning, provisioning, and outfitting. The owner could not claim exemption under the Harder Act, and liability did not rest solely on officer ignorance about unsecured port covers. Therefore, the owner was liable for the ship's unseaworthiness.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.